Forex traders. Welcome to Daily Trend's Forex Trading Strategy Complete Package, helping you reach your financial freedom. This strategy is brought to you by Forex Central. Enjoy learning. How to open Tradingview account. Number 1. Open the notepad attached to this video with a file named Tradingview link. Number 2. Copy the Tradingview link. Number 3. Paste the link on your browser and hit enter. Number 4. Click Explore Plans and get $30 bonus. Number 5. Click Explore Offers. Number 6. Choose any of this discounted offer. Number 7. Sign into your Google Gmail account. Number 8. Choose your planned payment schedule and hit next. Number 9. Under Need Extra Market Data, choose I'm good without it and press next. Number 10. Choose your payment method. Click Authorize and complete your purchase. Congratulations! You are now ready to set up your Tradingview chart currency index. Thank you for watching. See the next video to learn more about daily Forex trading strategy, helping you reach your financial freedom. Brought to you by Forex Central team. If you want to know more about this strategy, visit us at www.https://forexcentral.online.